Hello guys, welcome back again to MJ Crypto, and this is actually a continuation of the dual trading system series that has been launched on MJ Crypto. All right, beautiful. The testimonies have actually been so massive. A lot of persons have doubled their accounts with a no loss strategy. Listen, you can't get this anywhere. All right, you can't get a signal group, a training group, and a discussion forum group anywhere on the internet. This is actually legit. 3 groups in one. So guys, I'm going to be walking you through an amazing strategy that goes deeper into the dual trading system that can enable you flip your account as quickly as possible. Now, what does this entail? How does it work? It's very simple. All right. We all know that price action and momentum moves the same way. They actually move at the same velocity, but mind you, momentum moves before price. I've said this times without number on this channel that momentum moves before price because these are human beings making decisions on a daily basis. Okay, the rate at which they consume information will always move faster than the price itself. So that brings us to the essence of what I call the dual trading system hack. This is the final hack, guys, although there are actually more advanced techniques to actually trade with this system. So how does it work? There is what we call the RSI coefficient of divergence. RSI coefficient of divergence. It's very simple. It's you just simply calculating the average of both assets moving at the same frequency with their RSI prices. Okay, it's more like an index, calculating the RSI prices of both assets. Let's say asset 1, asset 2, you divide their two RSIs and get a particular figure. Now, that figure you are getting, it has a range value. If that figure is between a particular range, there is a signal there and you can actually trade. If it's not actually within a particular range, there is no signal. So basically, that is what the RSI coefficient of divergence is all about. All right. And a lot of my subscribers back tested this and they can confirm for fact that this works 100%. Like there is no loss at all. There is no loss to this amazing strategy that I'm telling you about right now. So guys, in conclusion, if you actually want to get into this amazing setup, I would implore that you actually send a DM straight to me. The link is in the description of this video. I am always active on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and I show my face right on your screen. So this is actually legit. All right, peace out. More videos are going to be coming up soon on BTC price prediction. The market is still bearish, so you know. The pump is not happening anytime soon. The market is bearish. So do trade wisely, trade professionally. Don't trade like a thief. Now, let me tell you guys something. Listen, the financial market will always remain, but your portfolio can get wiped off in seconds. So please trade responsibly and use good risk management. The dual trading system is still up and running. More videos are going to be coming up soon. And the mentorship program is actually on discount for now. This is a new month, and a happy new month to you guys. Peace out. Love you all.